welcome back to Jackula's Castle. Today we're here for an update on Six Flags Over Texas. Let's go check it out.
Now we want to make sure you're having fun today in the park and get you all pumped up. Your spectacular day here at Six Flags Over Texas. So by the way, jumping off with some bumper tunes. Come over and join us. Don't worry, if you don't know how to dance, don't worry, I got you.
Okay, so here is our first look at the Toontown Mall. Big difference from when we were last here.
Yeah.
Because last time it still had all the screens on it, and
Oh yeah.
the guest relations, lost and found over here. Got the new roller coaster coffee. Take a peek in here so you can see what that looks like. Looks pretty nice. It's
Yeah.
all new. Then into the store that's always been there. And it looks like they added 2 giant TVs onto the side of it here. Still nothing showing on them.
Oh yeah.
That'll be kind of cool.
Yeah, it will.
There's some picnic tables out here. Oh, look at the mural up here now, bub.
Oh wow.
That's pretty cool.
Is that
I think used to there was a giant skull here. I don't remember what ride it was. That was a little before my time. I think that's what that is. Yeah, I think that's all from the older rides and stuff. That's coming along pretty nice. And here you can see we got Aquaman sticking up. Should we go take a closer look at that?
Yep.
All right. Okay, getting a little bit of a peek here at the turntable for Aquaman. They've got a lot of railing up. You can see the little shed back there. The turntable's coming along pretty good. Let's go around the other way and see if we can get a better peek. Okay, so here's a little bit better look at it. Looks like the turntable's really close. I think they might pretty much be done with it.
Yeah.
Let's go a little bit further down. Here's a really good look. Looks like they got the sidewalk to entrance right there. And they are building, this all looks like it's probably part of the queue.
Oh yeah, it does. A little bit.
They're coming along pretty good on this. You can see it looks like a lot of the piping over there probably for some of the water and spray mechanisms. Okay, so here you can get a really good look at the pool. Looks like that's pretty much finished. Hopefully we'll see some water in it in August. Okay, so we kind of got a back view of Aquaman heading over towards the Judge Roy Scream. You get a really good look through here, better than the other side.
And I never knew that was a ride.
Yeah, hot air balloons aren't doing so well today. They're working out there. You get a real good look at the pool. It's coming along.
Yeah.
See Pandemonium over there in the background. There they come.
Oh wow, they almost touched the Aquaman.
Got a brand new Auntie Anne's going over here. You're not gonna want some pretzels, are you? See if that opens up pretty soon. It looks like Justice League is closed again. Every time we come by, it seems to be closed. Now this all looks new over here. There's always been a shop there, yeah, but
There was a DC shop there, but this
yeah, but this Looney Tunes and DC store looks like it's coming soon. We'll have to take a look next time we're here. Maybe it'll be opened up. So we were waiting for bobsled, and what just happened?
it broke down.
Broke down on the first ride. We did also notice here that El Diablo is closed today, it looks
It's
like.
been closed forever.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that one. So, are we going to ride something else, or are we going to wait for La Vibora?
I'd say wait.
All right, see how it goes. Okay, so the bobsled didn't work out. got stuck, knocked everyone off, so we decided it's log ride time. What do you think? You ready for this? Looks like they've only got one of the flumes open today. It definitely looks like only one open today. This one's dry.
Oh God, she got wet no matter what. Doesn't look too terribly huge of a hill.
Nah. While we're here at the log ride, I do want to go ahead and mention that the Roaring Rapids is still closed today, unfortunately. Hopefully they'll get it fixed soon. So, I gotta say, my biggest disappointment of the day is that the Spelunker gift shop, Spelunker Souvenirs, is still not open. I was really hoping we'd see some shirts or something today. Hopefully pretty soon.
Okay, so we just got off of Pirates of the Spelunker Cave, and the smoke wasn't working.
Yeah, there were several things that weren't working. The smoke wasn't going, several of the animatronics, the timing was off. There were some sails that weren't moving around. The jellyfish didn't have lights. Several issues. Still an awesome ride. I love it. But definitely not quite up to what it was when we first rode it. We do have a video of that up if you haven't seen the actual full ride yet. So, but what do you think? What did you tell me about it when we got off? Still one of your favorite rides. I totally agree. So what are we going to head to now?
We're going to head to Titan.
Okay, let's go see if Titan's open today.
Okay, so the biggest deal of today is Titan reopened.
Officially back open. It's been shut down for several weeks. And there was a pretty big line to get in today, and I think the secret had slipped out that it's opened back up. Here it goes. You're going to ride it today, right?
No, I'm not riding it.
He said no way.
Yeah, that looks horrifying.
It's nice to see it back up and running.
That still looks horrifying, though.
There they go. Well, we came over here to ride Mine Train.
That's Mine Train. That's Mini.
Oh, Mini Mine Train looks like it's closed today.
Mine Train's open.
But wait, look at this. They got sprinklers all tied up around the bars here. Mine Train is open. It's Mini Mine Train that's closed. So are we going to do some Mine Train riding?
Yeah.
All right. You getting the sprinklers first?
Yeah. Hold this.
Oh, this takes full concentration.
That's way colder than
All right, let's do the Mine Train.
Oh, I never want to ride that.
You gonna ride Superman?
No. That looks horrifying. I don't even care if you guys make fun of me.
He's not riding it. Okay, so it does look like the Judge has opened back up. I know it's been closed a lot lately, but it is running today. Now, the Texas Sky Screamer is still not. I don't know if it's a lack of staffing or if there's just an issue with it. They're doing some sort of construction right over here.
Yeah, they are.
All right, so are we about to head out? What's our plan?
So I'm gonna get Dippin' Dots, and then we're
That doesn't
head out.
surprise me.
Okay, so I have my Dippin' Dots. Delicious
Always
Dippin'
has to have Dippin' Dots before we leave.
Dots. Yeah. Justice League opened up right as we were leaving.
Yeah, they did. They were just kind of late today.
Yeah.
So, what did you think today?
I thought today was really good. We went on Mine Train 3 times.
Rode some Pirates of Spelunker Cave, rode log ride.
Yeah.
It's really hot, but the nice thing is, I mean, you can look around. There aren't big lines. It's not very crowded. So especially if you're a pass holder and can just come out, for a couple hours, make use of the cooling stations and the misters. It's a great way to do it.
Yeah.
Without having to wait in big long lines. So, I guess we'll be back again pretty soon, looking for that Spelunker souvenir shop to open up. Maybe riding Justice League since we missed it today.
Yes.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, right now that we've reached our car, Levi Bora is up and running again, and you can see El Diablo there in the background too. So they got a little bit of a late start, but they are running today. All right, well, keep an eye out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be back in a couple weeks.
Bye.